All right, so this is my little camper, a TDI. Show you guys around. So I got the diesel heater on. There's a lot of stuff on the car. So this is the one-person camper, I guess you could call it, one-person tent. So this is all my storage, my garbage. Got a little propane cooker that I use, and then I got pockets. Here it looks like, and then there's the cooler. The heater is on right now. I'll show you more in the back. So you can hear the diesel heater. That's the muffler for it, and then you can hear the fuel pump. And then it's a little messy, but yeah, here it is. So my clothes just all here. I got my laundry under that bed, and then I got the MightKooler K2. I love this thing. It helps me stay cool when the sun is beaming at the car, making it like 30 degrees in here, even more. And this is in Celsius. And then I got the fan just, in case. This is where I fill up the water, spring water, of course. And then the storage unit is under here, like where the spare tire is. I put everything there. But yeah, I gotta clean this up so you can see. But yeah, the MightKooler, I recommend it to everyone. But yeah, let's show you more. I recommend it to everyone. So I got my solar attached. You just can't see it. It's under this glass. I'm probably gonna make it bigger in the future. And then yeah, so that's where it is. And that's how this is perfect. And then here's my curtains where I use when I'm going to sleep and whatnot. But yeah, thanks for watching.